There's Daniel. We are here at the Crowne Plaza in Niagara Falls, Ontario. I've watched videos of these elevators ever since I was really little, and now I'm finally getting to ride them. They are Otis Series M2. Interesting how that call station's bigger than this one.
Oh,
It's this one. Looks like they also redid the cabs or repainted them.
Yeah, they repainted them.
Let's go up to 10. New brails too. Here we go. You're in 10.
Oh, let's go down to 9. That's how you can get the other elevator.
Yeah.
9th floor.
For 9.
A little bit of plastic leveling.
Oh, and they renovated this place. Let's watch it go.
They're like the early North lanterns.
Yeah, they are similar. And I'll show this elevator, which sadly isn't anything too exciting anymore, but just because we're here, why not? This is the one that used to be an Otis Black Button, but sadly it's been ruined.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like they redid the cab on it too.
They painted it, it looks like.
It looks like, yeah.
This is just...
Yeah, this mod sucks.
Yeah, they kept all the character of it, but still,
The,
it really
the
sucks.
cab, but the motor and everything else has been, all the mechanicals are replaced.
Yeah.
$12.
12th floor.
And I'll show you something real quick. You can see the top 2 floors are added floors, and this place used to only be like 8 floors, but 10 floors, but they added the top 2 floors, such as the one we're on. And there's a water park back there. And there's the elevator itself, which, as you see, the doors used to be manually operated many years ago. This is a pretty nice hotel.
Yeah.
I just wish they didn't mod that elevator.
I agree. I wish that was the original.
I wonder what the rooms look like, because they definitely renovated this place since it was last filmed.
Yeah. Here.
I wonder if there's...
No, that's 2 rooms.
I wonder if there's service elevators here. Here it is. And we'll go back down to 9. Here we go.
That was weird.
The cab does look nice.
Mm-hmm.
It just sucks it has this crap on it now.
Yeah. Which, for Niagara Falls, is shockingly not that common.
Yeah.
Still, it really sucks.
Here are 9.
9th floor.
Alright, we'll get off here.
Bring it, generic chime.
Yeah, let me see. That's the... What's in here? Ice machine. Oh, that's just a rear door for one of the main elevators, I think.
Yeah.
Even if it is a separate service elevator, it's modded.
It is. One of them does have a rear door.
Yeah.
But the indicators here kind of look like the road.
We'll take these for one more ride. This one. Otisito. This one doesn't have call rack. We'll get a cab view. Hello. There's Daniel.
There's Julian.
Hello again. And hello again. These have pretty nice cabs. Recently redone. Here an S.
Go to 10, I guess.
Yep.
And we'll get off in the lobby.
Yep.
This is the restaurant. You can get a nice view of the falls.
Actually, not sure. Don't know if we're really supposed to be here, but I want to get a quick look out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah, you can see the falls. That's where we're going. And the
Yep.
corner looks amazing. There's no
There's the New York side over there. Oh yeah, look at
You
that.
can see the falls from here.
There's the Horseshoe Falls,
Horseshoe Falls,
the American Falls,
the diving board, as I like to call it.
and there's rest of the Niagara Falls skyline. And we'll take these elevators back down to the lobby. The doors on the left one, the leftmost one, are slightly more narrow than the other two.
Yeah.
Hello. It's a pretty nice hotel.
Yeah.
Here, this one is.
Times anymore.
And we'll end on lobby.
And I'll get a cab view.
That's where the old indicator used to be.
Still a pretty nice elevator. Two-speed door. Otis.
We're in the lobby. We have to go down to the street level, but I'm gonna see if there's a bathroom here.
There it goes, and that's it. There's a tunnel through here.